What I'm going to do here today is make myself a slide hammer. I work at an industrial company, and I took these items from the scrap metal bin except for the fasteners. It happens to be a piece of drill rod, so I won't be able to thread the ends of it, so I'm going to take and weld a coupling on the end of it and drill a hole in the weight itself and weld a nut on there. I'll have to drill them out a little bit. Well, I managed to get the hole drilled. They weren't perfectly lined up, so I ended up snapping off my drill bit here. What I'm going to do is chamfer the edge here and drill a little bit of these threads out in this nut and that, so it will fit on the end here, and then I'm going to weld it and cut a piece off here and make a little handle to hold it. I'm just going to give it a shot of paint so it doesn't rust. Well, I got it dry here. It's been a couple days. I had to purchase a new drill bit, but I think it turned out pretty well. I would say the weak spot would be, because this is drill rod, I wasn't able to thread the end, so I had to weld it on there. If this happens to get mushroomed out a little bit, I'll have to cut that off and then re-weld it back on. But this weighs about 6 pounds or 13 kilos, so I think it'll be a pretty substantial little unit here.